guys, welcome to the channel. Before going to the news, let's start with the motivational quote. Don't educate your children to be rich, educate them to be happy. So when they grow up, they will know the value of things, not the price. Liber Refrigerators in launches duo cooling technology in India. Liber Appliances India has launched its duo cooling technology range of refrigerators in India. The company said the technology is like an invisible freshness lock that keeps temperature super precise and helps maintain moisture in food intact of protecting natural freshness for a longer period. This is enabled by independent cooling circuits for freezer and fridge section, it added. No COVID-19 death in Haryana in 24 hours for the first time in 135 days. No COVID-19 related fatality was reported in Haryana during the past 24 hours as the state reported 952 fresh COVID-19 cases on Sunday, according to the State Health Department Daily Bulletin. This is after 4 months and 12 days or 135 days that no new COVID-19 fatality was reported in 24 hours. The last such occurrence in Haryana was June 6. COVID-19 recoveries in India crossed 66 lakh. The number of coronavirus cases in India has reached 75,50,273 as 55,722 people tested positive in the last 24 hours, according to the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. The COVID-19 death toll in the country has risen to 1,14,610, while 66,63,608 COVID-19 patients have been discharged. Out of the total cases, 7,72,055 patients are currently active. Next 6 to 12 weeks in the US to be darkest of pandemic. US infectious disease expert Dr. Michael Osterholm, director of Center for Infectious Disease Researches and Policy at the University of Minnesota, and said that next 6 to 12 weeks are going to be the darkest of COVID-19 pandemic. We have vaccines and therapeutics coming down the pike, but when you look at the time period, the next 6 to 12 weeks are going to be the darkest, he added. India, the US and Brazil have reported 52% of the 4,112,870 global COVID-19 cases, according to Johns Hopkins University tracker. The US is the worst COVID-19 hit country with over 81.55 lakh cases, followed by India at 75.5 lakh and Brazil at 52.2 lakh. COVID-19, which was first emerged in China's Wuhan city, has killed over 11 lakh people globally. Odisha family informed about COVID-19 patient's death after 18 days. Family of a COVID-19 patient in Odisha was informed about his death 18 days after he passed away. He was admitted to Denkanal COVID Hospital in September 29 and later shifted to SCB Hospital in Cuttack. His family filed a missing complaint with police on October 16, after which a medical team found out about the death from hospital register. Warner became fastest batsman to reach 5,000 runs in IPL, breaks Kohli's record. During his unbeaten 33-ball 47-run knock against KKR, SRH captain David Warner reached 5,000 runs in IPL. The 33-year-old became the fastest batsman to reach the milestone, taking 135 innings. The previous record was held by RCB captain Virat Kohli, who took 157. Suresh Raina and Rohit Sharma are the other two batsmen to score 5,000 plus IPL runs. National Karate champion forced to sell liquor in Jharkhand due to poverty. Bimla Manda, a 26-year-old national karate champion from Jharkhand who has won many medals including a silver in the 34th National Games in 2011, is forced to sell liquor due to poor financial conditions. She said she started coaching classes to train budding karatekas in February but had to shut it down in March due to the lockdown. Relationship between my father and PM Modi is incredible. US President Donald Trump's son, Donald Trump Jr., has said that relationship between his father and PM Narendra Modi is incredible. When I saw the reception that my father received in India, it was absolutely overwhelming, he added. I love that they have great and powerful relationship that will benefit both the countries in future, he further said. Chinese soldier held by security forces in Ladakh. A Chinese soldier has been apprehended by security forces in Chuma Demchok area of Ladakh, ANA reported on Monday. He might have entered Indian territory inadvertently and would be returned to Chinese army as per established protocol after following due procedures, according to the report. This comes amid ongoing border talks between Indian and Chinese armies. In Denmark, if you are unmarried at 25, you will get cinnamon thrown all over you on your birthday. Best tradition ever. Not a single North Korean fell victim to COVID-19, a great victory achieved by the people of North Korea themselves. This is not a sketch or drawing. This makeup is done one real girl. The artist's name is Dine Yoon. Unbelievable. Forgot your computer password, boot up in safe mode, log in as administrator and then change the password. Nestle is the world's largest food and beverage company. It owns more than 2000 brands and has a presence in more than 119 countries.